This is the first time I'm going to use an Apple Watch Ultra, so let's take it out of its box. The box comes a little different than the rest of the Apple Watch. You know, Apple always has a very nice system in all their packaging, and this one will be no exception. We even have a nice landscape. Here we have the quick guide, where we're going to be able to have some basic information about our device. And in this part of the envelope, all the necessary documentation. Then we're going to come across the watch module. We're going to open it up because it comes sealed on this side. We're going to open it up on this side as well. On this side, the watch case, which by the way, feels very solid, very premium. And on this side, the cable. A cable that, by the way, also comes in a very handy packaging, with its wireless charging plate and USB-C on the other side. And honestly, I had seen it through pictures, but in person it looks much better. And in the next box comes simply the band, which as you can see also comes completely sealed. It shows us how to install it and it comes in this little envelope. Obviously there are several color options to choose from. In this case I have the blue edition. Although blue only on one side, on the other side it looks kind of dark green and in the center black. So let's install it just as it tells us to. Now we are going to slide the other side. And now we just need to adjust it. Hopefully it will fit. There it is. Now I'm already showing it to be able to link it because it's supposed to be a very easy process. As you can see, it immediately detects it and I can start the linking process. I will share the full review soon.